Friends, welcome back to a new video. I'm Ranim and today we will be testing together the Aphogee two-step protein treatment. And it's because lately I haven't been so super happy with my hair. As you can see right now, it's really lacking some texture. The structure is very random these days, so I do have a few curls left, like this one. It's day 3 hair, by the way. But most of my hair has gotten pretty wavy or even straight, so I really think that I need to bring in back some protein into the moisture protein balance, and I figured that this treatment could help me with it. So let's try together, and I will show you step by step how I'm going to do it with the results at the end, and if you're interested, then stay tuned. Alright, so you do have all the instructions in the label of the packaging, but I did watch a couple of YouTube videos and read through some blogs just to be, you know, super sure in how it's done. And yeah, so it says the first step is to wash your hair with shampoo. Do not use any conditioner, so only shampoo. So I'm just gonna do that and be right back. Alright, my friends, so I just clarified my hair with some shampoo. And I also opened up the Aphogee website with the instructions because there they have some additional information for curlies. So I recommend you to do that as well because there are some interesting points in there that we should take into consideration. Alright, so now I'm just gonna comb through my hair. Alright, so be patient with your hair because as we didn't apply any conditioner, the detangling might take you a little while longer. But yeah, so now I detangled everything and I put my hair into sections. And now I'm just gonna apply the Aphogee protein treatment to first one side of my hair and then the other side of the hair. And I read online on the website that if you're a curly, you should apply it through your hair, comb through with a white tooth comb and then scrunch. Because in many videos they don't scrunch the hair, but I guess that's because you can also use this protein treatment before using any kind of relaxer or doing any perms. So I think in our case, since we want to make our hair back curly, we should scrunch. So let's do this. I'm gonna apply first a little bit. They don't really tell you how much you should use, but it says kind of use as much as you think you need. So since I have quite long hair, I will try to feel if everything is covered with my hand. So I'm just gonna rake it through. Be careful, it's super liquid. I'm already making a mess. Now I'm gonna take this kind of fake Denman brush and brush through it so everything becomes evenly distributed, and I'm gonna start scrunching. So scrunching the way we guys, or you guys, or me, the curlies would usually do it, it says online. Because as it will form a cast, like it will harden your hair, it should harden kind of in your curly hair shape. And I would say let's not scrunch for too long because as it starts hardening, the hair becomes fragile and we shall not touch it at all, it says everywhere. So I think like this should be fine. And now let's do the other side. Alright my friends, so I'm done with the other side as well. And now we need to leave the treatment to harden and in that way to bond with your hair and basically let the magic happen. And again, online it says we should take about 20 to 45 minutes to dry your hair like this without touching it or anything, depending on how thick and long your hair is. So I think I'm gonna be drying it for like 25 minutes, and I will also use a diffuser in order to speed up the drying process a little bit. Alright, so we should put the hand dryer on low medium heat and high airflow. And it says, you know when your hair is dry, when it looks like uncooked ramen. So let's see if we can turn my hair into ramen. Oh, and again important, stay away from touching your hair. Please do not touch it at all. Don't do any scrunching. Also don't put it into a cap or anything. Just let it like this and dry it. Alright my friends, so it's been 25 minutes in total, out of which I think I diffused my hair around 15 minutes. And first of all, I'm kind of digging this sleek jelly look like this. It's kind of nice. But no, this is not what we're going for today. I will rinse this out now. So you have to rinse it out with warm water, really make sure everything is out. And then, very, very importantly, you have to put on a moisturizing mask. And I will be putting on today one by Shea Moisture. It's this one called Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. So it's very important that you follow up with a hydration mask just to, you know, balance it out and to smooth things out. And yes, I'll be doing that, and then I will also just go ahead and style my hair normally. I will be applying just some flaxseed gel today. I don't want to overweight my hair with too many products, so I'm going to go with the flaxseed gel. And then I will be diffusing and returning to you. So let's see. I'm excited. Alright my friends, this is the final result. I styled my hair and I diffused my hair, and it's, let's say, almost completely dry, and I am really surprised about the effect. I really, like, it really exceeded my expectations of this product. I didn't think that after only one application it will bring in so much more texture into my hair. I mean, you've seen the before, you've seen how a lot of the hair was actually almost straight, and now we have a very nice combination of waves and curls throughout the whole hair, so it has even like evened out the texture, I would say. And it definitely worked the best, of course, on the shorter hair strands, like here in the front. I really have some cute curls. Then of course the length, you know, it's always a problem with long fine hair, but I'm still super happy with the result. And for sure I'm gonna repeat it again, because it says you can repeat it every 4 to 6 weeks, and I will definitely keep doing that and see if my hair will get even curlier again. And I really think that this product might get me to the point where I want to be. So yeah, so I can totally recommend this, and please let me know if you're gonna try it as well and how the results turn out for you, because I am really super happy. Let me just show you also the back. Alright my friends, this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, please leave a like and a subscribe button. And if you have any questions left, just write me in the comment section or even hit me up on Instagram. Alright, bye!